अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम रिवाइज़ करेंगे एएसएफ इंस्पेक्टर के सॉल्व्ड पास्ट पेपर्स के एमसीक्यूज़ 2023 से ऑनवर्ड। तो ये मिक्स्ड हैं। स्टार्ट करते हैं। कल इंस्पेक्टर एएसएफ का पेपर है, तो ये उसके लिए रिवीजन है। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ है, दी शॉर्टेस्ट सूरा ऑफ होली कुरान इज़ सूरा कौसर। विच सूरा हैज़ बिस्मिल्लाह ट्वाइस? सूरा नमल। अमीनुल उम्मत is the title of which Sahabi? Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin al-Jarrah रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु. How many Muslims were martyred in the Battle of Badr? 14. Qamar Bani Hashim is the title of Hazrat Abbas ibn Ali. What was the first written constitution of the world? Misaq-e Medina. Injil means good news. Imam Darul Hijrat is the title of Imam Malik. The nation of Samud was preached by Hazrat Salih alayhi salam. Battle of Yarmouk was fought between Muslims and Romans. When was the first constitution of Pakistan enforced? On 23rd of March 1956. Who was the first Governor General of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Which province is known as Babul Islam? Sindh. Indus Water Treaty was signed on 19th of September 1960. Who wrote Asbab-e Bagawat-e-Hind? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Which city is the oldest university of Pakistan? Located in Lahore, University of Punjab. Largest coal reservoir of Pakistan is in Thar in Sindh. In which year was Bombay separated from Sindh? In 1936. When did the 1857 War of Independence officially end? November 1858. The inaugural meeting of First Constituent Assembly was on 10th of August 1947. Who is the current Chancellor of Germany? Friedrich Merz. Headquarters of WHO is located in Geneva, Switzerland. Which city is located in both Asia and Europe? Istanbul. Tahrir Square is famous in which city? Cairo, in Egypt. Who is the current President of World Bank? Ajay Banga. Capital of Lithuania, Vilnius. Which country hosted COP29 in 2024? Azerbaijan. ANSA is the news agency of which country? Italy. The deepest part of the earth is Mariana Trench. NASA's Perseverance rover landed on Mars on 18th of February 2021. Silicon Valley is famous for computers or technology. Outermost layer of human skin, epidermis. At night, plants intake oxygen. The speed of sound in dry air at 20 degrees centigrade is 343 meters per second. Which vitamin deficiency causes excessive bleeding? Vitamin K. The element of an electric stove is made of nichrome. Which part of the brain is the seat of memory? Cerebrum. Entomology is the study of insects. Decibel is the unit used to measure intensity of sound. The first identified subatomic particle, electron, was by J.J. Thomson. Who can arrest an ASF member who deserts, run away from their duty? Civil authorities, police and ASF officers. What is the air side of an airport? The movement area of an airport, adjacent terrain and buildings where access is controlled. What is the punishment for an ASF member who is guilty of any violation of duty? Imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months or fine or both. Under section 7. Can ASF conduct a search without a warrant within airport limits? Yes, under section 5 of the ASF Act. What happens if an ASF member is sentenced to more than 90 days of imprisonment? They are deemed to be dismissed from service. Within how many days can appeal be filed against the decision of the DG ASF? 30 days. What is the primary purpose of ASF? To ensure the security of all aerodromes, aircraft and civil aviation installations. Which section of the Act gives ASF members the power to use arms or weapons? Section 6. What does indemnity mean in the ASF Act? Protection against legal action for acts done in good faith while performing duty. Where is the ASF Training Academy located? In Karachi. Synonym of obdurate, stubborn. Antonym of dearth is abundance. Idiom a dark horse means an unexpected winner. Idiom to play ducks and drakes means to use recklessly or squander. Synonym of amnesty is pardon. Antonym of zeal is apathy. Idiom take the bull by the horns means to face a difficulty courageously. Choose the correct spelling. Vacuum, satellite, receipt. Synonym of wrath is anger. On the spur of the moment means without thinking or instant. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, went to Syria with Hazrat Abu Talib at the age of 12 years. The first surah of Holy Quran is Surah Fatiha. How many rukus are there in the Holy Quran? 558. What is the title of Hazrat Ali Haider? How many years did it take for the Quran to be revealed? 23 years. What is the first mosque in the history of Islam? Masjid-e-Quba. Masjid-e-Haram is located in Mecca. How many Muslims were martyred in the Battle of Uhud? 70. How many Masarif of Zakat are there? 8. What was the name of the king of Abyssinia? Ethiopia, Najashi. Dash in Pakistan is responsible for the formulation of monetary policy, State Bank of Pakistan. GDP growth rate of Pakistan in fiscal year 2023 was 0.929%. Wheat production in fiscal year 2023 was recorded as 27.63 million tons. Growth rate of agriculture sector during fiscal year 2023 stood at 1.55%. Share of the service sector in the GDP of Pakistan, survey 22 to 23, 58%. Per capita income in Pakistan according to Economic Survey 2022 to 23, $1568. Pakistan's rank on the Global Gender Gap Index out of 146, 142nd. In 2023, Pakistan's rank on the Rule of Law Index 2025, 130th out of 143 countries. Current Managing Director of IMF, Kristalina Georgieva. How many countries are member of ASEAN? In 2026, ASEAN has 11 members and the current 11th member is Timor-Leste. Orange Revolution took place in which country? Ukraine. Who won 30th Sultan Azlan Shah Hockey Trophy 2024? Japan. In which year did the WHO end its global health emergency regarding COVID 2023? 1960 is referred to as the Year of Africa due to the independence of how many nations? 17. Nelson Mandela served as the first president of South Africa from 1994 to 99. Which bridge is the longest bridge in the world? The Nyang Kunshan Grand Bridge. Barack Obama was elected the first African American president of USA in 2008. The Rose Resolution occurred in 2003 in which country? Georgia. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Venus. Cyclone Freddy is the longest lasting recorded tropical cyclone in history. The largest marine oil spill in history, Deepwater Horizon, occurred in Gulf of Mexico. Cyclonic storm Nargis caused a national disaster in which country? Myanmar. The euro was introduced into financial markets on 1st of January 1999. Unit of frequency, hertz. Very small and very large quantities are expressed in exponential notation. Unit of amount of substance in SI system is mole. In periodic table, elements are arranged according to increase in atomic number. Mass of Earth 6.0 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. Choose the correct sentence. He does not like to eat vegetables. The idiom see eye to eye means agreeing with someone. Noor Fatima falls off the horse. I am totally agreed with your proposal. It has been raining for an hour. Idiom eat like a horse means eating too excessively. Antonym of acquiescent is defiant. Synonym of productive is lucrative. Choose the correct spelling. Conscientious, CONSCIENTIOUS. The pilgrims will arrive at the Peshawar airport. Junior ranks means police members below the rank of inspector. The Criminal Justice Coordination Committee is presided by District and Session Judge. Anti-Terrorism Act 1997 first schedule deals with list of proscribed banned organizations. NECTA was established under an act of which year? 2013. Official Secret Act derives its roots from which system? United Kingdom. Disclosure of which information could cause a grave danger to state interest? Top secret. What is profiling in airport security? Observing passenger behavior to identify suspicious individuals. What is sterile area? The area between the passenger inspection checkpoint and the aircraft where access is strictly controlled. What is land side of an airport? The area of an airport to which the non-traveling public has unrestricted access, for example parking lots and check-in halls. Under the ASF Act, who is defined as a member? Any person other than an officer who is appointed to force and has signed an affirmation. What is liquid explosive detector? A security device used to identify the chemical composition of liquids in bottles without opening them. Which section of ASF Act 1975 deals with maintenance of discipline? Section 7A. What is primary security screening? The first check a passenger goes through before entering the sterile area. What is secondary security screening? An additional search conducted on randomly selected passengers or those flagged during primary screening. What does IATA stands for? International Air Transport Association. What is dual view X-ray technology? A scanner that provides two different angles of a bag in a single scan to better detect hidden items. Cyber laws in Pakistan include both A and B, Electronic Cybercrime Bill and Electronic Transaction Ordinance. How many times command of the namaz is given in the Quran? 700 times. Who bears the title of Aminul Ummat? Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah. Which surah of Holy Quran has Bismillah twice? Surah Naml. Who suggested digging the trench Khandak around Medina? Hazrat Salman Farsi. Sanamul Quran is also known as which surah? Surah Baqarah. What was the first written constitution of the world? Misaq-e Medina. First revealed book Tawrat. Who is known as Adam Sani? Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. First constitution of Pakistan enforced on 23rd of March 1956. Which province of Pakistan is called Babul Islam? Sindh. First Governor General of Pakistan Quaid-e-Azam. CPAC agreement signed between China and Pakistan 20th of April 2015. Inauguration of Kartarpur corridor took place on 9th of November 2019. Who led a rebellion in Punjab against the British in 1857? Rai Ahmed Khan Kharal. Premier of Punjab after 1937 elections? Sir Sikandar Hayat Khan. To which province did Hussain Shaheed Sohrawardi belongs to? East Pakistan. Which city is located in both Asia and Europe? Istanbul. Who is the current President of United Nations General Assembly 80th session as of May 2026? Annalena Baerbock of Germany is the President of 80th session of United Nations General Assembly. Country became a 32nd member of NATO in March 2024, Sweden.